If you had $20,000 right now, what would you do with it? Would you buy a property, start a SIP, or put it all in a stock? One wrong move can cost you thousands, but one smart decision could make you a millionaire. In this video, we're diving into 3 of the most popular investment options in the US: real estate, mutual funds, and stocks, and helping you decide where you should be investing your hard-earned money in 2025. Real estate in 2025. Real estate has long been a favorite among American investors. It offers a sense of security because it's a physical, tangible asset. In 2025, property prices in growing cities, especially in places like Austin, Nashville, and Raleigh, are seeing moderate appreciation. Many people view real estate as a long-term investment, and the potential for rental income adds to its appeal. However, real estate also comes with significant drawbacks. The initial investment is high, usually ranging from $100,000 to $500,000 or more, depending on the market. This means it's out of reach for many small investors. Liquidity is another big issue. You can't quickly sell a house when you need cash. There are also ongoing costs like property taxes, maintenance, insurance, and closing fees. And once you adjust for inflation, mortgage interest, and upkeep, the net returns might not be as impressive as they seem. So unless you have a long-term horizon and understand the market, your money could be tied up for years with average returns. Mutual funds in 2025. Mutual funds have become increasingly popular in the US thanks to easy access through platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, and Robinhood. The great thing is you can start investing with as little as $100, and you don't need to be a financial expert. Professional fund managers do the heavy lifting for you. There are different types of mutual funds: stock funds for growth, bond funds for stability, and balanced funds that offer a mix of both. Mutual funds provide diversification, which spreads your risk across many investments. They're also highly liquid. You can typically redeem your shares in 1 to 3 business days. Tax-advantaged options like Roth IRAs and 401ks make mutual funds even more attractive. Of course, they're not risk-free. They're tied to market performance and can fluctuate. And yes, management fees eat into your returns, though index funds keep them low. Still, historically, mutual funds have delivered 7% to 10% average annual returns over the long term. A solid, balanced choice. Stocks in 2025. Stock investing is where things get exciting and risky. If you're the type who enjoys researching companies, following tech trends, and diving into financial reports, then individual stock investing might be for you. In 2025, sectors like AI, clean energy, biotech, and cybersecurity are showing strong growth potential. Stocks offer the highest return potential because you're directly investing in businesses, and there are no management fees if you're managing it yourself. But the flip side is high volatility. Prices can swing wildly, and if you panic sell or follow hype, you can easily lose money. Successful stock investing takes discipline, patience, and knowledge. Long-term savvy investors may earn 10% to 15% or even higher returns, but it's not for everyone, especially if you're just starting out. So, where should you invest in 2025? Now the big question, where should you invest your money in 2025? Real estate, mutual funds, or stocks? The answer depends on your financial goals, your risk tolerance, your time horizon. If you're looking for long-term stability and rental income, real estate might be a good option, but it's capital intensive. If you want a balanced, hands-off approach with professional management, mutual funds are ideal. If you're confident, informed, and willing to accept the ups and downs, stocks can offer the highest rewards, but also the most risk. The smartest strategy: diversify. But here's the truth, you don't have to choose just one. The wisest investors diversify. With $20,000, you might split it like this: 40% in mutual funds, $8,000, 30% in stocks, $6,000, 30% saved toward a real estate down payment or REITs, $6,000. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more honest and practical financial advice. And tell us in the comments, where do you plan to invest in 2025?